No complex user interfaces, no need for coding, and yet you can design and build a website in a few minutes by just chatting. I bet you want to see this. Yes, it seems possible to design a website with just chatting with the AI agent, and Wegic is the user interface design tool that we need for that purpose. It has a very simple user interface and yet very practical. It's basically this familiar user interface that is basically the same familiar user interface that we see in every generative AI, which is basically chat-centric. First question that the tool is asking us is that what exactly we want to design. I'm going to pick up one of the items that is suggesting to us. I want a website to promote some products. Then it's asking what we would like to call our website. In this case, I'm going to pick up one of the suggested items. And in the next step, we need to choose the main language of our website. Okay, I failed in the first try, but not a big deal. I tried the second time and it worked very well. Actually, it wasn't that quick, but it wasn't really bothering. And here we are, our design is ready. It is not the most brilliant design or most innovative one, but you can still see some details such as some macro animations. And have in mind that we just spent a couple of minutes to generate this, meaning that we save a lot of time to build our first draft. Plus, it's prepared as multiple pages and not only one page. Let's see how we can edit the design. Here in the left top corner, you see chat to edit button, which when you click, you will open up the chat window. And this is the user interface that we need to use in order to edit, customize our design. Here, for example, I would like to add two buttons, one for the LinkedIn and the other one for the X social network. And that's basically my first prompt. Again, it's not very quick to get the result, but after 1 or 2 minutes, you can see the changes in your design. So here, for example, I see these two new buttons in the hero section. It provides you 3 options that you can choose among them with a slightly different design. And we can select the items in our page. This will open up another chat window, which we can use in order to edit the selected item. We can have a responsive design. We can switch between different views like mobile or desktop to check if the page is looking good or not. We can also control the foundation of our design. For example, we can choose another color for the primary color, or we can change the font family that we would like to use in our web page. You can continue editing all the elements using the chat. For example, here I'm selecting the headline and I ask the AI to change the color to the primary and make the font a little bit bolder. And it really does what you ask. For example, here you see the result. Also, we can add new section by clicking on this green button which says new section. And while we are selecting that new section, we can write down in the chat that what we would like to have there. Again, I got 3 versions. One of them was actually broken, but the other 2 were working. Maybe not exactly what I wanted to have there, but I didn't give also very explicit prompt, so it's okay. And you can publish your work on the default link or on your custom URL. Hope it helps, and if it was so, don't forget to like this video, share it with the other designers in your community, and smash the subscribe button.